Guys, I don't know what this is like on my screen, so I'm just going to watch it. It just pops up like when I go in this, like, I'm like, oh my god, okay, man, I'm just going to do it. Here we go. Like that. I get it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, guys, I pretty much get it. Guys, if you saw me like going like that, like if I wasn't looking at that, well, guys, right. See the bit where I was quiet, like very quiet, and it's because I was looking over there, because my cat's in there, and I just love cats. Like, who doesn't love cats? I love cats. Like, there's no point in loving cats, because she's basically my wee sister, basically. I don't know. So bye.